What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can increase the followers in your Instagram ID, or how you can gain the followers in your Facebook page, Twitter, or how you can gain the subscribers in your YouTube channel. And also I will show you how you can gain the likes and comments in these social media platforms. So guys, this video is totally genuine and you will get real subscribers and real followers and real likes and comments in these social media platforms. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on the channel, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. I know guys, you have watched many videos on YouTube how you can increase the followers or how you can gain a subscribers in your YouTube channel, but from these tricks you will get a ban in your personal account and you will lose a subscribers in your YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can increase the genuine subscribers and genuine followers and genuine likes and comments in these social media platforms. So guys, first you have to create an account in a website. The website link is given in the description. I will open in Chrome. So guys, you have to search here DriveUp. I have already searched here. Click on DriveUp and you will get a first website here, driveup.net. Click on this. You will get an interface like this. If you want to increase the followers on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Cloud, or Twitter. So guys, first you have to do a sign up here. Click on the sign up and create an account here. Choose your name, type email address, create an password here. So guys, I have already created account. I will log in my account here. So guys, you can see here my account has been reactivated again. First of all guys, I will show you how you can gain a subscribers in your YouTube channel. You can see here the YouTube logo. Click on the YouTube logo here. What you have to do there, you can see here the like videos. Click on the like videos. Now click on this. I will like this video. Now turn to back. You can see here my points is 30. You can see here my points 30. Now guys, you can see my points is 80. I have gained 50 points for one like. It depends on you how much like you do and you will get these points. For one like you will get 50 points. So guys, it depends on how much points you have in your account, and you will gain pointers by liking the videos of other YouTubers. Like you have to do here a like or comment. If you will do both like and comment, you will get 100 points here. So, and for gaining 1 subscribers in your YouTube channel, you have to lose 50 points here, and after that you will do again this process and you will get more subscribers. Same is the case in the Instagram. You have to do in Instagram here. So guys, you have to put your profile here, profile link here. You have to put a profile link here, and after that click on Instagram. Here guys, if you will like someone's post and you will get 50 points, and if you will follow someone you will get also 50 points, and for one follower you have to reduce 50 points here. You have to lose 50 points here, and same is the case in the Twitter. And also guys, if you will post a Facebook post here or Instagram post here or Twitter post here, you will also get a more followers and you will also get a more likes in your post and comments in your post, and you will lose 50 points for each like and for each follower. So guys, it depends on how much points you gain. I hope guys you like this video. Please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.